Hey guys, what's up? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can outline a text in Photopea.com. So let's get started. So what you want to do first, guys, is add your text. You can do that by clicking on that text tool here on the left sidebar and by positioning your text box somewhere here on the editing space. Next, type in your text, like for example, test text 1, 2, 3, just like that. So let me just change the color of that font really quickly and change also its size. Let me change the color to black for contrast purposes. All right, so that's it. And what you want to do after that is right click on the text layer here on the layer list to the right, and here select blending options from the drop down menu, and inside your layers blending options select stroke, enable it by ticking the box here to the left, and after that customize your outline effect. For example, you can apply a custom color. So let's go with red, for example. You can adjust the opacity and also the size and play around with the outline setup. And that's all to it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.